Make sure you click that subscribe button to be a part of the family. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications firsthand.
Hello and good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 21st of March 2018 and well, this is the city of Kolkata. I am going towards OSL Bajaj. For those of you who don't know, I bought the motorcycle from there. Today I am going to pick up my receipt, for which I will be able to fit the number plate, which is tomorrow. I took Arijit to that washing place where I washed my bike yesterday. I did post a few pictures while it was being washed on my Facebook page, so if you are not following me on Facebook, the link will be on the screen and in the description box below. Also do follow me on Instagram, both the links are on the screen. The place where I got the bike washed, it's something called Eco Sparkle, which is in the basement of CC2. So if you guys are from Kolkata and looking forward to getting your bike washed and polished at a reasonable rate, then I would suggest you that go to that place, get your bike washed and see for yourself. Well, if you can see, the bike just looks amazing. There has been a little bit of a dust, but yeah, the bike looks amazing. They charge you around 200 rupees for a wash and a normal polish. Well, the wash is foam, which is quite reasonable compared to what other places you get your bike washed. For people those who are around City Center 2, around Newtown or Rajarhat, you can come over to that place and I will provide a number in the description box below for those of you who want to go. So yes, that's a good place to get your bike washed and taken care of. I am really satisfied with the price they are charging. Well, no, this is not a paid promotional video. I just got my bike washed yesterday and I really liked how they do the procedure and what price they are offering it. So I thought I would share with you people so that you guys can also avail that particular service that I'm talking about. I didn't shoot a regular delivery vlog because everybody does that. I wanted to try something new and create something unique. I bought the bike. I provided all the details in that video, where I bought the bike from, who helped me and all, who were there at the time of delivery. So I did really share all the details with you, but I didn't want to shoot a delivery vlog kind of thing because that's too mainstream and everybody when they get a delivery of a motorcycle or have a YouTube channel, most of the people do that. So I thought of doing something different, so here I am with a different type of a video. And also I visited Mandarmani a few days back, helping the bike run in a little faster because I don't like the running period to be as long as possible, because 2000 kilometers we have to ride this motorcycle for basically in the speed limit. Like for the first 1000 you have to ride it under 73 kilometers an hour in the 6th gear, and for the next 1000 kilometers you have to ride the bike for 83 kilometers an hour on the 6th gear. That is the speed limit for the first 2000 kilometers. So I am like trying to cross that period as soon as possible by going on highway trips and something. I don't mind riding in speed limit for that point of time, because I know the service after that, after the 2000 kilometers is complete, the bike would be completely ready, and I am planning on starting modifying this for touring purposes and all. So the speed limit over here on this route, this is the Newtown area, the speed limit here is 50 kilometers an hour for cars and motorcycles. There are speed cameras installed. Those guys in the sumo are talking about, what do you have on your chin? Is that a camera? Young boys excited for no reason at all. This is the famous, well, it is not famous as of now, but then it will be. This is the Bishwa Bangla Gate, some kind of a hanging restaurant. Well, the thing is huge and it has got a good height as well. I mean, you can see how huge this is. I think those are the stairs that you have to take if you want to go upwards. Well, it's not complete yet. You can see there is one G missing from Bangla. So this is Chingri Ghata mode. From here on you go up to EM bypass. I will be taking the Ma flyover because I don't have any work in between. Ma flyover connects from this point till Park Circus, 7 point more, and in between all the parts are there. You can Google it out if you want, that is. Humidity is 25%. By the way, that's Science City. This one, this gold building. Yeah, clear as day. Strange place. I know that sounds funny a little bit, but yeah, that's a strange place. You will get to learn a lot of things if you are a kid, or if you have a brother. You'll learn a lot of things over there. One of the most congested parts of Kolkata, I must say. So yes, I have ridden around 1150 kilometers till now. I did my first service at 700 kilometers, which was around a week back, maybe maximum. That's the newly opened Kawasaki showroom here in Kolkata. Firstly, it was on VIP Road, where the KTM showroom is. There's this Multistrada standing outside. Look at those beauties, man. I don't hope to own a Ducati someday, but I really love those Italians, you know. Okay, where do I park now? This is one of the biggest showrooms of Kolkata. OSL. Let me just get my work done over here and I'll catch up with you people.
A few moments later.
I got this one because it was promising to me, had a lot of features which I wanted, and yeah, so that's it. And maintaining is it. Maintaining this bike is also cheap. First service which I did costed me around 1100 rupees, including a full coolant, because my coolant was low. So including a full coolant, including engine oil change and oil filter change, washing and labor charges are free in the first 3 services. So yes, that's it. হ্যাঁ, তুই বাড়িতে আছিস?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ, ওই বিগ বাস্কেটওয়ালা ফোন করেছিল, যাবে একটু রিসিভ করে নে।
ঠিক আছে, আমি আছি, এইমাত্র ঢুকলাম।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, করে নে একটু, আমি আসছি কিছুক্ষণে। Also, I remembered one thing just now. Since that I have bought this bike, it's been like quite a few days. I will be definitely sharing my first impressions in a very separate video, completely devoted to that particular topic. But do let me know what else. What the fuck? So do let me know what else do you want to know about the Dominar, and if you are looking forward to buy that motorcycle, do let me know about all the queries that you have, so that I can cover it up in one single video, so that you guys, all the queries that you guys have, you will find the answers in a single video and you don't have to go various places. All the queries that you have about the bike, about the usability of the bike, about the mileage, about anything, list them down in the comment sections below, and I'll note down that questions that you guys have posted, and I'll answer them in the next video about the first impressions and about the first 2000 kilometers, how the bike runs, and etc. So yes, I'm looking forward to your questions, by the way. Make sure you post them down in the comment sections below. Yes, we'll be ending the video right over here. I hope you guys are doing well, and I plan to see you probably soon in the very next video. Nothing special as of today, just, you know, short update video regarding what's going on and everything, how the new bike is performing, etc, etc. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. Please do, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Check out my other videos. I have been to trips to quite a few places. I hope you'll like it. And for my old guys, well, I am happy to have your support all the time by my side. I hope that you will be supporting for the upcoming days. So with that said, I'll be taking your leave now. This is Shainesh. Thank you for being with me all this time. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Ride hard, ride safe. This is New Town, Kolkata. Pretty close to my home, so I usually come and ride over on these streets. So yes, I will take your leave right now. Ride hard, ride safe. This is Kielblade signing out.